Good morning.
Good morning, Tim.
Day 12 or 14?
14 of our around the world trip. Got so many mosquito bites.
I got none.
I know you don't. They don't love you as much as they love me. But the monkeys loved you a lot. So that's fair enough. Today is our last full day in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
Yep.
We have to do some laundry.
Yep.
And we're going to try some street food later today. And we're going to test out the local markets. So we will see you, probably not the laundromat, but probably at the street food and walking around the different markets.
Okay.
So day 14 of our around the world trip on points. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Where are we at?
We're in Chinatown.
We're in Chinatown.
And it doesn't have to be the first, it can be any, you know, kind of, just gotta kind of look, decide what you want. Like here's some right here.
Có mèo hả?
Not quite there.
Oh, it's in English too.
Of course. $3.
All the food. Bacon. Which one?
I don't know.
3 in 1. Look how cheap that is.
Yeah.
You get all 3 of them.
$125. This is very nice. Thank you. Here's the front street I was looking for.
Oh.
I think one of them. They might have multiples.
It's all the market. Actual market now. All the fun street food you can get.
That's good.
Yeah, it's early in the morning still. Can buy sandwiches.
Really good.
Oh, yeah.
18 for okay, 18.
Okay. It's like $4.
$4.
Come in. Coffees?
That didn't look strawberry. It looks green. No, it's tea. Green tea.
Baked with Aiden? Whatever that is. Pastries. Donuts. Central Market since 1888. That is the stinky stuff. Flowers. My friend went to Malaysia. Backboard. Ice cream. All this stuff.
Look at the dragon.
Ooh, a dragon. It's the Grand Bazaar. Laundry in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. It's 9 ringgits to wash and 9 ringgits to dry. I'll probably have to double the drying time because I've got sweatpants in there. So it'll be about 30 ringgits or 10 US, less than $10 to do laundry here. And you just go right here, get some tokens, and put them in the machine, and the machine includes the laundry detergent. So it's really simple. This is how you do laundry in Kuala Lumpur. Good evening.
Good evening.
It's day 14.
It's day 14.
It's our last day in Kuala Lumpur.
It was a nice day.
It was a very nice
Yeah,
day. It was
a
kind
good
of a
day.
quiet day.
It was different.
I did laundry.
I went shopping. It was hot, but I did laundry and did an Uber, and then just looked around the malls and stuff, and then went to eat, And that was about it. We
We-
talked to a lot of people from Australia and different places.
And we ate breakfast at the club lounge.
Upstairs, yep.
And we had dinner at the club lounge. They
Yep.
had pasta tonight.
They had nice, yeah, they had
It was
nice
really
dinner.
nice. I don't think we had any lunch because we ate
No,
breakfast
and
so
I had
late.
the lobster, what was it, seafood?
Normally-
Thermidor?
Something
Thermidor.
like that.
It was very
Yeah, it was very good. So yeah, and they had desserts up there and everything. So it was
Yep.
nice. So we didn't spend any money on food today. We just spent
No.
money on laundry
good. Yep,
and on Ubers.
that was about it.
So how much did we spend?
We spent $18 or yeah, $18, $19.
$19 because the room again was paid for with points, so that didn't
Mhm.
cost us anything.
No,
And tomorrow we are headed to
somewhere else. Singapore?
Cambodia.
Cambodia. Okay.
Cambodia.
Cambodia's tomorrow.
Cambodia's tomorrow.
That'll be fun.
Going to the Park Hyatt. So we
Yeah.
will see you in the morning
Okay.
as we head out of here, and we'll do a final wrap up on how much we spent in Malaysia.
Yeah, and it won't be over. Not going to be too early in the morning. That's nice. It's a
Well, the-
later flight.
Yeah, we'll be out of here by 10:30
Yeah,
though.
that'll be nice.
Yeah. So that's good. Talk to you tomorrow.
Bye bye. It looks like he could add you mushrooms if you want,
Ooh, I'd like mushrooms.
or a little bit of maybe ham,
No.
and then he's got some tomatoes. And he's got a little bit extra.
Mushrooms and tomatoes.
A little bit of mushrooms and okay.
Yeah.
She would like the spaghetti with the bolognese, that, and mushrooms and tomatoes.
Got all these fabulous desserts. And fresh fruit. And salads. Really good sandwiches.